Hi, I am Pratibha Verma and I am going to present my machine learning project for Skyfi Labs about Boston housing price prediction using linear regression. Firstly, we are importing some libraries like NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, and many more. Then we'll load the data, that is Boston housing dataset, using load Boston function. And then we'll print data using boston.descr. All the features are displayed, including 506 rows and 13 columns. Then the data is stored in a variable called features. We can use feature to call a separate column. Now we will assign target, which is the prices we need to predict. We can use functions like min and max to print minimum and maximum for a feature respectively. Then we will concatenate features and target into a single data frame. We can use describe to present the percentile, the min value, and the max value. Next, we will find the correlation between target and features, and we will also obtain absolute values. Then sort them and then plot the graph using matplotlib library. Then the normalization of data will be done. We'll use LSAT for x and target for y, and we'll use min and max scalar then. Then we will split the data and use mean squared error for three functions: error, update, and gradient descent. Then we will check for error every time until the error is less than threshold. Then the loop will break. Then we'll use gradient descent function and then plot the regression curve. Slope of the curve is negative. We have also plotted error where error decreased over the iterations. And then we'll do the visualization of model by using HTML and func animation. The regression curve here changes accordingly. And then we'll get the predicted values and the equation of linear regression. By the equation of linear regression, we can also find mean squared error, and then we'll add the testing data and predicted value in a data frame, and we'll plot the scatter plot of testing data. And then find the predicted data in target values and break it in normalized form. And show them use of target value and predicted value. Thank you.